Right now, a salvage operation is underway to raise the crippled Italian ship Costa Concordia. The cruise liner has been stuck on its side off the coast of Tuscany since it collapsed 20 months ago. Mark Phillips is on Giglio Island, Italy. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie, Nora. Well, for 20 months, as you say, the Costa Concordia has laid here on its side as an ugly testament to human folly. Now, though, if you look closely, you can see that she's just starting to move toward the vertical. Engineers say she's moved at least 3 degrees and that the procedure here is going well. This is a massive, hugely expensive and a risky operation, and it began this morning with a bit of a hiccup. It's begun here, but in the contest between engineering and weather, the weather won the first round. The operation to roll the Costa Concordia upright was delayed this morning because violent thunderstorms overnight meant that some of the equipment couldn't be put in place. But after a 3-hour delay, the salvagers announced the operation had begun. This is how it's supposed to work. A series of chains which have been placed under and around the vessel are designed to be tensioned. Tanks, which have been attached to what is now the upward side, are to be gradually filled with water. The combined force, the salvagers say, will flip the ship onto underwater platforms that have been built. But it will take as long as 10 to 12 hours. Over the coming winter, more flotation chambers will be attached, and the whole structure will be raised and towed to an Italian mainland port where it will be cut up for scrap. That's the plan. Today, the plan hits reality. It was in January of last year that the Costa Concordia, with more than 4,000 people on board, was sailed too close to the island of Giglio by a captain now accused of showboating. 32 people died. 2 of the bodies are still missing. The captain, Francesco Schettino, says the rock the ship hit was not on the nautical charts, but he's being tried for manslaughter. The salvage operation has been 20 months in the planning. Today is the test of whether those plans will work. And there's still a lot here that could go wrong. The engineers saying they are seeing some distortion, deformation in the hull as they twist it upright. They're still worried that stuff could fall off it or that chemicals on board could also leak out. The best that we can say at this time is, so far, so good.
All right, Mark, thank you.